Did you know that some people are making a lot of money by selling digital products on Etsy? They can make something once and sell it over and over again without doing any extra work. It's a great way to make money. If you want to join this profitable industry, you need to create a really good digital product. Luckily, we can use AI tools to help us make them. In this video, I will show you 5 digital products you can create and sell using AI tools. So let's get started. Number 1. Clip art. Clip art is a great way to add visual appeal to projects, presentations, and designs. Whether you're a graphic designer, a teacher, or just someone who loves creating art, selling clip art can be a fun and profitable venture. With the rise of online marketplaces like Etsy and Creative Market, it's easier than ever to sell your clip art to a global audience. So, how will we use AI to create clip art in a matter of seconds? The first step will be to use ChatGPT to brainstorm clip art themes. Guys, if you're not familiar with ChatGPT, let me give you a quick overview. It is a natural language processing tool powered by AI technology that allows you to have human-like conversations with the chatbot and answer all of your questions. For example, I will ask, provide me a list of 10 clip art themes that will be in high demand on Etsy. As you can see, it has provided us with all of the ideas, and you may use any of them. After that, you must design your clip art, and to do so, visit the website kittle.com. You must choose this Kittle AI here. After this, I'm going to use a kawaii icon as my template style. Now, describe your design. Here's your design. If you don't like this design, you can regenerate it by providing a new prompt. Now, I want to remove the background because I need to use it as a clip art. So, just use the AI background remover option. It now appears to be perfect. Number 2. Digital paper. Different kinds of digital paper are available on Etsy from a wide range of successful sellers. If you are unfamiliar with digital paper, let me explain that you can use it in a variety of ways as digital or physical products, such as taking printouts to use on scrapbook, cards, letter writing, journaling, or other types of writing, and some of them use it digitally as a digital background or used in a digital planner for different layout and styles. So, how do we professionally create digital paper that sells? To do so, we must return to kittle.com and select the Kittle AI option. This time, I'm going with the pattern style option when creating AI digital paper. So now, I'll describe my design. Here is my design. It looks very professional, and you can make multiple designs similarly by providing different prompts. However, you can also create these types of digital paper designs using the Midjourney AI tool. Number 3. Mockups. There are hundreds of thousands of e-commerce businesses online that sell posters, phone covers, t-shirts, and other printed products. What do all these businesses have in common? They use mock-up photos to sell their products. That means there is growing demand for unique and creative mock-up photos that can help businesses advertise their products. Some people are making a killing selling bundles of mock-up photos on Etsy. We can use Midjourney to create all kinds of interesting mock-up photos, which we can bundle up and sell on Etsy. So, in order to create a mock-up, I'll give my prompt command, and you can create mock-up in any niche, such as t-shirts, mugs, and so on. But I'm going with a mock-up of a wall art frame. Here are my results. If you are not satisfied, you can regenerate it from here. However, I like this one, so I will upscale it. We got our final image. Your mock-up is now ready to sell. Number 4. Coloring pages. Coloring has evolved from something to keep the kids quiet to a full-fledged hobby as more people practice mindfulness. Take a look on Etsy and you'll find people making hundreds of thousands of dollars selling both adult and kids coloring books. If you don't have any ideas for coloring pages, you can use ChatGPT to generate some ideas. Let's generate some ideas. As you can see, ChatGPT has given us many ideas for creating coloring pages, and you can use any of them. We must now create our coloring page. We will use Midjourney AI tool to do this. Midjourney can be used to create stunning coloring book pages. So let's create some coloring pages using this amazing AI tool. I'll give my command here. As you can see, we have a coloring page. Similarly, you can create multiple pages and earn a lot of money. Number 5. Stickers. In the recent year, digital stickers have become a more popular product on Etsy, and it's a creative way to make money online to start your own business. Typically, people sell digital stickers in sets, and customers frequently use them to serve as important markers for dates and events, but their use does not end there. Digital stickers can also be used for presentations, digital planner, digital flashcards, and desktop sticky notes. Midjourney AI tool makes it simple to create digital stickers. To do so, you need to give a command for your digital stickers, as I have created this. These stickers appear to be professional and you can sell them on Etsy. However, before you remove the background and make it transparent, if you want to know how to remove the background and convert it to a PNG, watch my digital sticker video, which I will link to in the description. Guys, I hope this video will help you understand how to use an AI tool to create a digital product. Also, please let me know in the comment box what digital product you are hoping to create with the AI tool.